Hi, hello, greetings, konnichiwa, hola. It's me, James. Do you remember the last time you were on video call? Yeah, not that far, not that far. Yeah, I bet you were on video call for like before you watching this, right? I bet. So the video like like 10 years ago, is that called far? Yeah, whatever, like that. The so like back when we have 4G, the video call often like flows, flows, really flows. Or you were gaming and it flows. Your FPS just dropping deep to the hell, like like you're not going to play today because it ruined your day. It's frustrating, right? That lag happened because your data have to travel through the 100 miles of giant server to get processes and travel back to yours. Today I'm going to show you how AMD fixed that problem in Big 25. Like the timeline of this journey is from the car to tower and brain, AI brain. Like a baby take three like a baby take three step like AMD baby AMD had take a step one was in 2017. They built faster engine for our computers, and the second step was in 2020. This was the big one. They brought the technology to control D5 towers. They realized that if they want to fix communication, they had to own the network, not just a computer, the computer. And the third step is today. They are putting AI brains inside our laptop, our computer, our PC, or even your phone. So the invention of AMD, like I need you to imagine, I need you to imagine of Camelon, right? Yeah, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So, to explain the special invention that make this possible, right? Most computer chips are like just printed book. Once you printed a word that you can't change them. If G5 change to 6G, you have to throw the chip or chip away. AMD used a special type of chip that more like a tablet. Even after the chip is glued inside the telephone tower, is like in top of the mountain, or they put on the space. AMD can send a software update that can change how it works. They call this they call this adaptive computing. It called chameleon chip. I call it because it adapts to its environment. So what does this mean? What? I need to explain from the past and to the present. Like you're ordering a pizza, right? Like in the past, if you ask a Siri a question, it was like ordering a pizza from a restaurant across the town. You have to wait for the answer to travel you. But today, in 2025, with AMD's new chips, the chip is right there for you in your laptop, in your technology. When you use a real-time translation tool now, your laptop does thinking. It doesn't need to ask the internet. This make communication instant and private. For the future and conclusion of this, where are we going to take a next step? I guess in by 2030, this network won't just carry a data, they will see the world. The 6G signal will be able to detect where you're standing, allow you for you 3D holographic call that feel like you are real there. So The AMD moved from making fast engine to smart tower to giving every user their own AI brain. That is the future of communication. Thank you.